Hey, it's Shannon, East Coast Editor, trailpeak.com, here with the Kelty Gunnison 2, and I'm going to, for the fun of it, set this tent up in the rain as if I were coming to a trail site and campsite and was in a downpour or something and wanted to set the tent up and stay dry at the same time. So, here it goes. Now it is raining out, so the whole first thing is to try to keep everything dry. The ground sheet that I'm using has grommets and cords on the sides to hold the poles, and that's really the trick to setting this tent up under the fly. Putting everything under the fly, and I'll crawl in underneath in a few seconds to start the procedure. There are Velcro tabs on the fly to fasten to the poles. That helps keep the structure. The ground sheet itself has little clips which will help hold the cord on the fly on the corners. Staking out the fly helps maintain its shape, and then from here on it's inside, erecting the canopy part of the tent. And what makes this work is the hooks. Instead of tent pole tubes, it uses hooks like a mountaineering tent, or some of the mountaineering tents have, to erect the canopy while under the fly, so you keep the canopy dry while it's raining out. And you can, because of the two doors in the tent, in the canopy itself, you can open the two doors to pass through without having to try to go around, or just everything can be done without having to come out from underneath the fly, although I did that on a couple occasions. And now it's just putting the anchors back onto the fly, and that's it. Tent's up, the inside's dry. I'm Shannon from trailpeak.com.